Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a new update that simplifies how to send pictures with text on the WhatsApp desktop app. Whether you're sharing memories or important information, this feature makes it easy to communicate effectively. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. You should see your chats lined up on the left side of the screen. Now, find and open the chat you want to send your picture to. Once you're in the chat, look for the attachment icon. It looks like a paperclip. Click on it to see your options. From the menu, select Photos and Videos. This will open up your File Explorer. Now, navigate through your folders and select the photo you want to send. Once you've found it, click Open. This action will bring up the photo in your chat window. Before you hit Send, don't forget to add a personal touch. At the caption bar, type in the text you want to accompany your photo. This could be a quick message, a funny caption, or anything you'd like your recipient to know. Finally, once you're happy with everything, simply click Send. Your photo, along with your message, will be on its way. And there you have it. Sending pictures with text on WhatsApp's PC app is that simple. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and updates, and let us know in the comments how you use this feature. Thanks for watching.